Wagwan people. So today, get a win on US30 in London session, or would I say pre-London. Yes, so it was a buys of demand, 5 minute demand. Alright, let's reset everything, replay mode about right there. Yes, so came on the charts, saw this high. I wanted price to break this high so I can know that it wants to go higher. Right. So price was playing out, created a demand right here. And I know for our demand zone to be valid, our supply zone, we need a gap, fair value gap attached to the zone. So the fair value gap right here would be under this green candle to above this red candle. So all of this is the fair value gap right there. So we want price to come back down, fill the gap, and get a tap in the zone. And would want a good rejection and enter and break of candle. So let's play it more. So right here, price created another demand zone. You can never really know which demand zone price will want to react off based on momentum and just taking risks. That's how I took it off this upper one. So we got the fair value gap attached to the zone. So good look so far. So let's play it out a little more. So we got the top. And you know, before the top, we need the breaker structure. So price created this high right here, which went above all these previous high, showing that price wants to go way higher. So in this case, I was having this high over here as a target area after I entered the trade. Because as you can see, when price formed this candle, the body closed all the way down here. So I was figuring when price reaches high, it would give some kind of the same reaction. I entered on the break of candle, which would be right here. SL little below the lowest candle, and I was just targeting the lows for now, the highs for now. So price was playing out, was just playing around, and then I got this rejection, and it flew way up, and I got out for the 1 to 2 RR. Yeah. So let's go over everything again. So the clear trend, price was clearly creating higher highs, as you can see. Market just going up. We had the fair value gap attached to the zone right here. That would be the fair value gap. We had the breaker structure. Price created this high before we got the top in the zone on this candle. And this high is higher than all the previous highs. Yeah. So that's a good breaker structure. And now we got a good break of candle, meaning after we get the top in the zone, the other candle went above it, which would be right here, is where we entered. So, good break of candle. Yeah. So, not going to trade New York today. So, tomorrow, same discipline. We don't really care if we get a trade or not. We just gotta be disciplined and get these pips. Until then,